ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 81 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 10. ಕಲ್ಪದ್ರುಂ ಸತ್ಯಭಾಮಾ ಭವನ ಭುವಿ ಸೃಜನ್ವ್ಯಷ್ಟ ಸಾಹಸ್ರಯೋಷಾಃ ಸ್ವೀಕೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಗಾರಂ ವಿಹಿತ ಬಹುವಪುಃ ಲಾಲಯನ್ ಕೇಲಿಭೇದೈಃ. ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಾನ್ನಾರದ ಆಲೋಕಿತ ವಿವಿಧಗತಿಃ ತತ್ರ ತತ್ರಾಪಿ ಗೇಹೇ ಭೂಯಃ ಸರ್ವಾಸು ಕುರ್ವನ್ ದಶ ದಶ ತನಯಾನ್ ಪಾಹಿ ವಾತಾಲಯೇಶ. Word by word meaning. He Vatalayesha, O Lord of Guruvayur. Kalpadrumam, Kalpaka tree. Satyabhama Bhavanabhuvi, in the compound of Satyabhama's palace. Srijan, planting. Dvyashta Sahasra Yoshaha, the 16,000 women. Svikritya, accepting. Pratyagaram, Prati Agaram, house. In each house. Vihita Bahu Vapuhu, assuming many bodies. Vihita, assumed. Bahu, many. Vapuhu, body. Keli Bedaihi, by various sportive deeds. Lalayan, fondling. Tatra Tatra Api Gehe, in each of those houses. Ashcharyat, in wonder. Naradalokita Vividagatihi, Narada, Alokita, seen. Vividagatihi, engaged in different ways. Seen by Narada as engaged in different ways. Bhuyaha, then. Sarvasu, through each of those wives. Dasha Dasha Tanayan Kurvan, begetting 10 sons. Pahi, protect me. Full meaning. O Lord of Guruvayur, planting the Kalpaka tree in the compound of Satyabhama's palace and accepting as wives the 16,000 women, thou didst assume an equal number of bodies and didst sport with each of them in their own houses at the same time, to the astonishment of Narada, who saw thee engaged in different ways in those houses. Then thou didst beget 10 sons through each of them. O Lord, deign to protect me. Note: accepting the women as wives only means conferring on them Sayujya union with the Lord. Om Tat Sat.